and welcome to this alert training video. In this episode we're covering alert intelligence. This is our built-in suite of dashboards that provide in-depth analytics for your alert deployment. Alert intelligence is available as a MicroStrategy mobile application as well as via the web, seamlessly integrated within the campaign management system. To access the web interface, enter your CMS store and select Intelligence. AI opens to the Overview dashboard, where we're presented with a summary of store, user, product and offers data. The data represents the last 30 days. Stores. Here we provide sales revenue and customer count for those customer receipts that have been pushed to alert. The graph illustrates the trend over the last 12 weeks. This section also contains a list of the top 5 stores by revenue. Store revenue is provided for the last 30 days. The bars represent the revenue. Selecting a bar provides the week and revenue value. Users. Here we summarize all-time users or total alert users, active users and new users. A 12-week bar chart is provided for alert users and new user counts. Hovering the cursor over the bar provides the week and count value. Demographic information is provided for active users, summarizing gender, age and device preference. Note there are also metrics for undeclared gender and age. Products. This is where we summarize the top 5 products by unit volume. Total units and unique products for the previous 30 days are highlighted. Units, revenue and average unit sales, specified as unit sales on the dashboard, are provided for top products. Average unit sales is revenue divided by units sold. This is not average unit price, but is the average value of the products sold, including discounts. Offers. This area summarizes the number of offers sent, viewed, read, acted upon, claimed, and redeemed over the last 30 days and provides a mix or percent to total, percentage sent. These figures represent the absolute number of offers sent. The store's dashboard. Here we have a visual representation of the store revenue, receipts, customers, average revenue per customer, average revenue per receipt, average unit sales and average units per receipt. The size of the bubble represents performance relative to the metric selected from the map measure drop-down in the top right. The colour of the bubble represents the percentage of total company revenue. For instance, if the store is in the top 20%, then it's coloured green. If it's in the bottom 20%, red. If it's between 20 and 80, then it's orange. The same colour logic is applied to all measures. This information can be found by hovering over the eye in the top right-hand corner. Standard map functionality applies. The map view can be changed by selecting Map, Satellite or Hybrid. Store summary. Selecting the bubble over any store displays the store address and a summary of the store revenue, customers, receipts, units sold, average unit sales, average revenue per customer, average revenue per receipt, average units per receipt over the last 30 days. The store summary allows access to the store trends analysis and top products dashboards. When location bubbles overlap, as is the case with Philadelphia and the New York stores, a navigation bar will appear at the top left of the pop-up window. Store trends. Trends provides the weekly trend analysis for the last 90 days. The date filter on the right-hand side of the screen defaults to the current date of the demo data. The dashboard filter button will not affect this. Selecting any point on the graph will display the detail. The drop-down selector can be used to display revenue, receipts, customers, average revenue per receipt, average unit sales and average units per receipt. Store demographics. The Demographics tab provides revenue, customer count and receipts by age, group, gender and device type with mix to total. Note the default period is also 90 days. Red and green arrows represent growth or decline versus the previous period. Store revenue by customer city. As you can see, this is a map view which is displaying the user's last known location and the revenue and customer count associated with that location. It also provides the percent to total for revenue and customers as well as the count of receipts for that location. Where the location indicators overlap, the navigation bar appears on the top left. Standard map features apply, Multiple locations can be highlighted with the Map Rectangle Search feature. Channel: online versus store. This is the third primary dashboard in the store view and provides detailed analysis of store versus online sales. Revenue, customer count, receipts and units sold are provided for the last 7 days, last 30 days and year to date for store, online and totals. The donut graphic represents the mix or percent total of revenue for the specified period. Trends provides a bar graph of store and online performance over the last 30 days. The drop-down box allows the display of a further 8 additional metrics. A secondary display is available by selecting Averages. This will display average unit sales, average revenue per customer, average revenue per receipt, and average units per receipt. The Products dashboard represents total company product performance for the selected period. The default is last 30 days. The products are sorted and ranked on quantity sold and provide the resultant revenue and the number of customers that purchased that particular product. Selecting the product displays detailed demographic information regarding the sale of the product. The size and colour, the age, gender and device distribution for each product are shown. The products most often purchased with the selected product are also provided. The dashboard can be filtered by time period and channel. The Select Top Products functionality allows fine-tuning of data by value percent highest, percent lowest, rank percent highest and rank percent lowest. Products comparison. The comparison button allows you to compare two products. When you are viewing a product in the Products screen, select Comparison. Use the Select Product from List drop-down to select the desired product to compare. Comparison allows you to compare the colour, size, age group, gender and device type. It also provides the channel revenue and weekly trend. The Offers dashboard provides performance details on the promotions and messages sent through the Alert app to the Alert mobile client via CMS. The offer name, start date and expiration date are shown for all of the offers on the left. When selected, the offer detail will appear in the right panel. The panel provides the offer performance in terms of the number of users to which the offer was sent and how those users responded to the offer. Promotion performance is assessed in terms of how many users viewed, read, claimed, gifted or redeemed the offer. Message performance is assessed by how many users viewed, read and selected the action button, acted, included in the message. Selecting any point in the graph will display detailed information. The Offer Details section includes 3 sub-panels: Demographics, Response Rates and Message Details. Demographics. This area provides a breakdown by gender, age group and device type for each of the user actions available for the specific offer type. Select the user action to change the graphics. Response rates. Here we provide the performance rates of an offer based on user actions. In this graphic, 57.9% of users that were sent the offer acted. This represents 80.7% of users that read the offer, but only 72.4% of those that viewed the offer. Note that read, claimed, redeemed and acted values can be higher than sent values due to the amount of sharing or gifting that may occur. Sent takes into account only the users targeted by the promotion. Read, claimed and redeemed includes both targeted and non-targeted app users. User counts are unique and a single user cannot be counted multiple times. Message Details provides the message content including start and end dates, image and description. The Users dashboard. This provides a summary of user activity. It has 3 distinct sections: Summary, Users by Geography, and Activity Trends. Users Summary. The The top portion of the dashboard represents the total app users and their mix information and a summary of active and new users over the last 30 days. It also includes the total number of app users that have linked their loyalty cards. Users by geography. This map displays users by their last known location. The table on the left displays the user country, the number of all-time users for that country, and the mix or percent to total all-time users that country represents. The number of users with undeclared locations is provided at the bottom. Select any location to view details of the total users for that location. New users over the past 30 days, active users over the last 30 days, and users with loyalty cards for that location. Activity trends. This dashboard provides detailed performance statistics on users' activity, actions taken within the client app, and actions taken as a response to offers and messages. Each of these is accessed via a selector in the top center of the screen. Each separate trend analysis screen is in the same format. The top portion contains a summary table of unique user counts, and the bottom portion contains a trend graph for the last 12 weeks by day or week, depending on the selection. The portion of the 12 weeks displayed on the graph can be controlled by the selector. Selecting any point in the graph will display detail. The threshold arrows indicate positive, green, or negative, red trends over 2 equivalent periods. Thank you for watching this alert training video. For more information, please visit alert.com or drop us an email at info@alert.com.